So what's going on? What happened to me? You'll find out some more soon. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to VA3 FUC. My name is Ron. I am the amateur radio operator with that call sign. So let's go talk about what's been happening with me, because I know that I've been gone for so long, right, guys? I know. Sorry. I do apologize for being gone, but I've been working on stuff in the background during all this malware problems that have been going around the world. I've been busy with making other stuff with my other channel, CMP. So with CMP, Canadian Maker Project, that's the name of the channel, I talk about 3D printing. And I like to bring 3D printing into everything I do, from amateur radio, where I built and did that Pi Star build. If you've not seen that video, you should see it pop up right there. Yeah, there's a card. And with that, I kind of went into, I had a epiphany almost. Like I said, well, I want to build something new. So I kind of broke out and made this. So what is this? This is just a plaque that you can hang on your wall. If you're interested in one of these for your own station, hit me up. I'd be more than happy enough to give you an idea how much one of these would cost. And we can work on a plan and get it out to you. I'm actually working on a new one that's even going to be thinner than this, so it's easier to ship. I've already had to ship out one or two already, and the response I've gotten back has been pretty good. So we're going to build more of them. I'm working on a new design for one right now to make it a little thinner. Not the rating, just the plaque itself, so it's less weight, easier to ship. If I have to ship it out to you. But if you are one that wants to get one, hit me up. I'll tell you how to do that in a second. Go to our page, hit about, and I believe about will have my information. You click on the button that says contact. I'm not a robot, and they'll let you pump up all my information on how you can contact me. But yeah, so I've been working on the video for the Ailunce HD1. The review is coming soon. It's a good radio. There's a couple bugs I want to talk about, but other than that, it's a very good radio. I've had no problems with it whatsoever, and it's been working great. Now, there are some things about it that I want to talk about, which is going to be in the video. It's all about licensing and everything else. But if you're interested in that stuff, or if there's something that I haven't covered, hit me up. That's what the comments are for, and I do read your comments. So if, say, something's like you're not sure on something, or you're unsure of something, or if something I've told you does not kind of lock in, I like to take that time and help you out if you're running into a problem. But don't be afraid to contact the actual company too. Now, I am waiting for them to contact me, but they haven't contacted me yet, so I may have to do this video review. But it's going to be an interesting review nonetheless. And I'm going to be talking about some of the shortcomings and some of the good, some of the bad, all that into one video. It's just I'm waiting for them to get back to me. But because I haven't seen anything yet from them, I am going to write the review anyways and put a disclaimer on it. Just let you guys know that at the time of the filming. It's going to be a review on the radio. It's coming up. So if you are waiting for a review on the radio, it is coming. It's just I was waiting for them. They never replied back. So I'm going to go on with this review anyways, because I wanted to clarify something, but they never clarified it with me. So it's going to be that. Because radio can do a lot more than what I've covered right now. And I feel right now is the perfect time for a review of the radio to tell you what you can and cannot do with this radio. I'm also going to be trying this radio with satellite work. That's right. I'm going to try to work a couple of satellites up there. And the ones I'm looking at are AO50, I believe, and AO51, I think, fly over the North American area. If I get a chance, I'm going to work them. I'm going to videotape myself working them. But it might be in nighttime, so you might not be able to see me. But we're going to try to work them. nonetheless, because I want to get some recording and I want you guys to hear what I hear. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, guys, that's about it that's happening right now. More videos are going to be coming soon, hopefully. Like I said, this is not my main channel. My main channel is actually Canadian Maker Project. That is where all my stuff is. And you probably saw my logo pop up, and you'll probably see a card pop up over there talking about the channel. If you're into 3D printing, you'll like that channel. If you're not into 3D printing, I apologize. That will not be a channel that you'll be interested in, because that's all about 3D printing. Like those plaques that I made right here are 3D printed. But if you're looking for one of these, like I said, don't be afraid to contact me. Your call sign will be right here. Not this call sign here. This is my call sign. You can't have my call sign. But your call sign would be on here. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching. If you like the content, once again, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. And if you like what I've talked about, give me the thumbs up. And comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. If you guys enjoyed the content, if there's something you want to see me do next, let me know. It helps. Trust me. Until next time, everybody, have fun. 73.